Hello, in this video, let's see how we can authenticate to um, AWS Cloud via the command line interface in our local laptop. So AWS CLI is used to connect to AWS Cloud and do actions and manipulate the services using the CLI. So for that, first we need to download command line interface installer for whichever operating system that you're using. You can install it. Once it is installed, then you can use it via your CLI. So I have opened my PowerShell and I have already installed it, but you can install it yourself before doing this. First of all, in order to log in, we need to have access keys. So for that, you can go to your security credentials. There is an option to create access key. So as of now, I'm creating it as a root access key, but it is actually recommended for IAM users because then it will be restricted and that is much more safer. So I understand that it's not the best practice, but I'm doing it anyways for the demo. So create access key. Now you go to your PowerShell. You can type AWS configure. Now it will ask for access key ID. Copy it. Next, secret access key. Copy that as well. We are in the same region, so I'm not changing, but if you want to change the region, you can do that. I am just using the default output format. So now we are in. Now for starters, we'll see if we have any S3 buckets. For that, you can use AWS S3 LS. It will list all the buckets. But currently I do not have a bucket, so nothing is being listed. Next, we can try to create a bucket. So that for that you can use AWS S3 MB and you can give a bucket name. So S3. Now we can give the bucket name. I'll use sample bucket CLI. I hope this name is available. Bucket is created. Now if I try to list, you can see the bucket name is there. Now, next we can add few things into the bucket. So that you can write AWS S3 CP for copy. We are copying from this location in our local computer to our S3 bucket. And we are copying everything. So I'm using recursive. Now you can see everything needed for a static web page is getting uploaded. So now we can list everything in the S3 bucket. Just copy it. AWS S3 ls. So yeah, everything is listed. Now if you want to remove one of the objects in the bucket, we can give AWS S3 RM the bucket name slash whichever you want to delete. So I'm deleting one.jpg. It is deleted. Now we can go see the S3 bucket. If you refresh, you can see the simple sample bucket CLI is created. One of the JPEG files is not there, the rest three are there, so everything is happening properly. Now, if you want to download one of the files, then you can see AWS S3 CP from where? From the S3 bucket. That is to our desired location. I can just say this location. Sorry. That we have to also say what we are downloading. So I'm downloading 2.jpg. This location. Oh, sorry. Accidentally I gave the wrong name. Yeah, now it is downloaded. If you refresh and see, you can see this. Okay. Now we can try removing everything and delete the bucket. So for that, we can give AWS S3 RM S3 sample bucket CLI recursively. Recursive. Now everything is deleted. When you go here and refresh, you can see nothing is there in the bucket. Now we need to delete the bucket. For that, AWS S3 remove bucket RB and the bucket name. The bucket has been removed. Now if you go here, refresh, there is no bucket. So this is how we can use CLI to do operations in AWS from your local laptop. So I hope you understood. For more CLI commands, you can search and you can try different other things using CLI, but this is a sample demo of how CLI can be used. Thank you. Have a nice day.